run a lot of the government work in Namibia, and we've had over 300 people from other countries now coming down and learning about what we do to help them develop programs in other areas of Africa. But we really need to then affect the things like hunger and disease and poverty. And as conservationists, we actually have to work with development officers and businesses everywhere and people to try to figure out if there's ways that we can address that, so that we can actually look at changing the habitats again, so that there'll be areas where wildlife can live and cheetahs can live. So I always say, if we save the cheetah and lots of other species, we really have to help change Africa. We have a model farm, and from going to Namibia first in 1977, nearly 40 years ago, I guess, 35 some years ago, Namibia is farmland, and everyone said when I started working there that if I didn't learn about the problems with the farmers were going to keep killing cheetahs. So we took that at heart, and when I set up the foundation in 1990, a couple years later, we actually set up land and a ranch where we actually ranch livestock. We put to work livestock guarding dogs, which you can see one of ours there. We have a veterinary clinic, we have a genetics lab, and we actually are doing everything that we can to try to use our center as an international center for training throughout Africa. Our vision is to see a world in which cheetahs live and flourish in coexistence with people and the environment. So our vision is big, and we want to walk the walk and keep cheetahs walking on the land with us. And over the years, our research is basically looking at applied conservation. But we're very science-based, and everything that we do, we monitor and make sure that what we're doing is correct, and then we can change directions on a regular basis. Some of our research has taken us to understand how large of a landscape we need to save the cheetah. And it's not small areas. Cheetahs have home ranges of about 800 square miles, which are what our home range studies have shown. And each one of these little squares in here is about 10,000 acres. And so a cheetah needs farms of up to 20 farms that size. So they're covering large lands with people and their livestock. And those are the issues that we're trying to actually develop. And I call those cheetahscapes. And we've looked at a lot of things around understanding how the cheetah's living through ecology, using our baseline radio telemetry studies. Now we have satellite collars on our cats. And this is Mati. And Mati has been one of our chief conservators. He's our chief ecologist. And he has done his